Hey guys, welcome back to Juba Tuba. We haven't uploaded in a while, and I felt like, oh man, some shit here. Wonder where that's from. Oh, look, it's the motherfucking worm, yeah. And we're gonna fucking kill them. See what happens. Alright, how should I do this?
However you want. What is that, Ryan?
WD-40. Let's see here. Stops squeaks, protects metal, loosens rusted parts, frees sticky mechanism, and fucking fucks up the mother worm. And you too, you little bitch. Where the fuck that thing is, yeah. It's like blue plastic. Works every time. What now? Oh. Plant shine.
So what do we got in this bin?
What do you got in this bin? The mother worm. Some WD-40. Whatever the fuck that thing is, it's like a spoon-shaped slug. It's like all twisted up, but it's got like this. It's like a head that's like, it looks like a spoon. It's very windy outside right now, actually. So, you wanna shine them up? By the way, everything you see here is probably from like 1998 and before. Just found it in my garage. I think this fucker's dead. No, he's still alive. I think it's like choking. You want a little bit more?
No.
Nah. Salt. They all need water to survive. But when there ain't no water, let's see what happens. Mother worm. Yeah, bitch. Looks like blue stuff without the blue stuff.
So what's up next?
Oh, hand the camera off of me for a second. Yeah, I'll just take it like right there. I'll tell you when to come back on.
He's withering in fear.
Come over to this side. Just stand like on the side.
Okay, there you go. It's so stupid.
It's car wax. Turtle wax. Color cure, car polish, hide scratches, improves color, and hard shell finish. I don't think. Oh, fuck.
I don't think they're alive anymore.
Should I take a stick and see if I can find them?
Sure.
I gotta go out and find a fucking stick then. Unless there's one in here. Oh, and by the way, Kratos swords have just come out into stock, on Kratos. You
Buy them on our merch shop.
Yeah. And there's a baseball bat, That'll get the fucking job done. Let me go find that. Now what the hell is that? Hold on. This'll do the trick. I don't know what the fuck this thing is. I think it blew in the wind. Oh, I saw an air bubble. They're in there somewhere. Come on, guys. Oh, God. It looks like I just blew somebody's fucking brains out, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Where are they? Where are they? That's what some old hag said to me.
I see one of them.
I saw one, like, right here. Oh, wait, I think they're... here they are. You know what this is? This is Shane if it was actually fucking funny.
Oh. You hungry, Ryan?
Hell yeah. No. Put this in a bag of one of Carter's gummy worms, and when he goes to eat it, he's gonna fucking find like a car polish worm. Hopefully he doesn't know the difference, so he fucking eats it. That'd be funny. Should touch him. I never expected the outro to be so gay. We had a fun, and now it's time to play Fuck Up Mother Worm as much as fucking possible.